Today's job, I've received from a collaborator a bunch of colons. So maybe these have been produced in their lab. So these are I don't think these are public data. Now in this project, like I always do, I've mined a bunch of colons from the Barcode of Life repository. So what I need to do today is look at integrate these into the pipeline, and so these are all in individual. These are all in this folder in individual files. So these have got taxonomic names as the file name and in the FASTA sequence ID and a single sequence in each file. So some considerations. Firstly, some of them are going to be too small. This is for phylogenetics, so this is certainly something about 250 base pairs is going to be too short for that. So it needs to be a length measuring, a length threshold. Other considerations are the taxonomic names. So for example, this looks like genus, subgenus and species. Now what I need is the genus and the species. So this is pretty simple here, but for here, I'm not sure if this is. I guess this is a subgenus. I'm not familiar with this, but I need to determine the taxonomic format used, and so I can extract the genus and species. What else? And then I need to look at I might have these species already from in my bold mined data. So I need to see if these are unique. I mean, if I have it already, no need to use it. But I think a lot of these will be new and will be added. And I think that's about it. So I will start a new Perl script to do this work. Start a new Perl script called it integrate colons. So into the Perl script, I'll need to feed in okay, just for simplicity, I'll just cd change directory into where all the individual files are. Okay. Here is a command it does a bash command from within Perl, so you do the ls to list files, and then that goes straight into a Perl variable. Okay, so I can just because all these sequence files end in .fasta. That should read all of these. The other thing I need to feed into this script is the colon barcodes, which I have mined from bold. So we've scanned the working directory. There are 145 files with a single colon in each, and we have mined colons from bowls, and there are 3,890. These are bees only. Okay, so this is the list of the individual raster files in the working directory. So we need to be parsing out these individual taxonomic labels and figuring out what they are. So firstly, let's look for labels which start with a uppercase, single uppercase, which is here, then multiple lowercase, which is here, then an underscore, then single uppercase, which is presumably a subspecies name, multiple lowercase, underscore, and a word of all lowercase, with subspecies name, underscore, and a number, and a full stop, and the word faster. Brackets round a regular expression to capture any component, and you capture first set of parentheses, second and third, so there should be 3 here. Okay, so genus and species. Right, so next let's look at the string where we have just a single word of this word starting uppercase. So currently I'm guessing this is going to be subgenus. This is what needs figuring out. And we just notice we have yet more another format here. So we have either subgenus or genus, which will start uppercase, and then we have 2 starting lowercase. So this will be either, well, one of these must be species. The other one could be, I don't know, it could be a subspecies, or it could be a synonym. I'm not really sure. I'll have to ask what these are. And we have another format also, some just other here. And we have NR, that means, well, I'm not sure exactly, but it means it's probably this species, or at least it's a rough identification, I think. Anyway, we need this one next. Okay, I think what we'll do is just restore all these generate and subgenerate into a hash, and then print out a list of these, and then we can check if we've got actually got these right. So everything in these names we'll just put into store these names, the binomials, into a hash. So that is genus concatenate string underscore concatenate and species. Put this as a hash key to store these. Okay, so some of them, if they want, already have 88, maybe new, though we still need to standardize the names. Right, so I'm going to call this job done. What I need to do is just talk to collaborators and find out just to get these names mixed up, get these names sorted out, and then we'll go from there and look at the quality of the sequences. If it's too short, and then just align them, and we have them in the pipeline. But not much else I can do right now. So, okay, so that's all for today.